Dolls, it's Emelyne and
Brianna.
So we are doing a baking video. I've been getting a lot of requests to do some baking videos again. So today we're gonna test out Audrey Hepburn's chocolate cake recipe. It sounds amazing. I read the reviews and a lot of people say it's more like a brownie, but we will be the judge of that. So since there are like eggs and other stuff in here, like butter, Brianna's gonna be the taste tester of this one.
I'll take one for the team. I'll eat it all.
So if you guys want to learn how to make Audrey Hepburn's famous chocolate cake, then just keep watching. For the first part of the recipe, it calls for unsweetened dark chocolate, and it calls for 11 ounces of it. It calls for 11 ounces of it, so we are going to melt that. And you guys can either do it like over a double boiler, or I just have a pan right here. It never burns. Thank you, Mama. It never burns for me, but I know people always freak out when I do this, but it'll be okay.
Unsweetened.
Unsweetened. It smells like cookies.
Are we opening them?
Yeah. On it? Oh, she's the cutest girl. Your method's better.
Why are you doing it on there?
I don't know. Okay. I can't do that.
Do it.
Let me just grab it. Oh, sorry. Didn't you give me these?
I did. For your 100,000 subscribers, I think.
Yeah. You definitely did. Okay. So we're gonna put the chocolate in here. All right, so the chocolate's on, and I'm just putting it on low heat. And this is how I always melt my chocolate. I never have it burn this way. You just have to go really slow with it. But if you guys are nervous about burning your chocolate, then just do it over a double boiler. And I also just preheated the oven to 400 degrees. So we have the chocolate all melted, and now we're adding in 1 stick of unsalted butter. Alrighty, so we have separated 8 egg yolks, and then we have the 8 egg whites. So we're also listening to the Greatest Showman soundtrack right now because we both saw the movie last night and we're so obsessed.
So good. It makes you cry.
It does. Have you guys seen it? It's so good. I didn't even want to see it, but I'm like obsessed with it now. We're adding 8 into the chocolate. And we've also turned off the heat of the stovetop. Alright, so now what we're going to do, I'm making this into vlog style, we have to add in the egg whites and a cup of sugar. So we have to beat the egg whites and then gradually add in the sugar. Now that we have the egg whites, Brie is going to add in the chocolate mixture. We don't know if this chocolate mixture is right because it just looks kind of funky. It's just like, I don't know, something just looks really off about it, but we're gonna see. So I'm having like issues with my camera today and I keep not recording things, but we added in the chocolate mixture and thank you. We are just folding it in ever so gently. Really good. It does, and it actually smells really good. We were really nervous because The chocolate mixture looked really funky, but looks good. Alright, so we have the mixture all mixed, and I have my cake pan. So it said to grease the pan with butter, or you can do like flour on it. I'm just gonna use Pam because I feel like I just really want to make sure it doesn't stick, because I don't want any disasters. I haven't baked in so long. After I did all those baking videos, I got super sick of baking, and it's just not my thing anymore. So I'm just trying to wait until I get this out of my system, and hopefully I'll like baking again soon. It's just not, I don't know, it's too stressful for me. Alrighty, we have our cake. So I'm gonna put this in the oven for 30 minutes. Okay, you guys, let's check on it. The timer has gone off. Wow, this looks so interesting. Okay, I'm gonna take this out, and then I'm gonna let it cool, and then we're gonna try it tonight. So here is the final cake. It called to put powdered sugar on top, so I did that. So I'm just gonna cut a piece, put it on the plate, and let Bree test it out. Okay guys, so here is the big reveal. Bree's gonna try it, and I'm sorry in advance. I feel like this video is probably all over the place. I've not done a baking video in so long, and like I mentioned before, I'm just not really into baking, so I don't really enjoy it.
I'm ready. Cute little piece. Smells like chocolate.
It smells so chocolatey.
Okay, easy to cut.
You're giving all the points.
Woo! It's a really good consistency. It's not sweet.
Really?
Mm-mm.
I feel like it was kind of weird that there was so much unsweetened chocolate in it, and it was dark chocolate too.
It tastes like a healthy
Really?
thing. Like I feel like it'd be good with like a cup of like chai or something, like something that's like a sweet drink.
Yeah.
It's good though, like I'd eat it.
Interesting. Okay guys, so that is it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. I will put the recipe in the description box down below. It might be on my blog. I'm not sure if I'm gonna have time to do that, but if not, it'll just be in the description box. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you guys do test out her chocolate recipe, her chocolate cake recipe, then be sure to let us know. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we'll talk to you next time. Bye!